Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you have a Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019, and if you need to remove or replace guys front turn signal on the left or right side, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. There is a trick, otherwise it's almost impossible to do it, so we'll cover that today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's go ahead now and explain about the turn signal guys. Turn signal bulb, unfortunately you cannot replace it guys, okay, because it's right there, okay, in the backside, and it's almost impossible guys. You almost don't have any room to reach it. You have a cap, you might be able to if you have small hands. If not, we'll need to remove the headlight, so we will explain how to do that today. So let's go ahead and explain what we need to do. Torque sturdy, and right here, okay, we need to go ahead and remove one bolt. Okay, let me show you where it's located on the headlight. One is there. Now we have one more that we need to do over here guys, check it out. Now let's go ahead, do that one. You can see how it's made to where the extension fits around the bumper, which makes it super convenient that way. Alright, perfect. Now that headlight guys, if you look at it now, it's practically loose. Check it out now. Now if you come in a specific angle guys, okay, that headlight will come out, but now we need to find in which angle it will come out guys, because you have the fender here that it will try to get stuck underneath. Okay, 1 second here, because we need to come out of here first, I believe. Okay, let's see now if it's going to come out or if it's not going to come out of the bumper. Okay, we may not be able to. So we figured it out. Don't go on the front. You come all the way to the front, pull it to the front, then come on the top, clear the fender, make sure you don't bend it, come out in an angle, lift it back, slide it towards the back. That's the trick. Now all you have to do now, you can see right here, if you want to disconnect it, grab that connector, push it in, hold the headlight good, then you grab that tool on the bottom, you pull it back and you disconnect it. Perfect. And you can see the headlight came out just like that. So once you pull it out, okay, you can see right here on the outside, that's where the turn signal is located. So you go ahead, grab that thing, and if you look guys, that's where the bulb is located. So how do you remove it? You grab the connector, okay, and this connector guys, okay, let's see if it's going to come loose. Okay, nope. What I'll recommend to do, grab it, okay, like that, turn counterclockwise about 30 degrees, pull out, okay, let's see if it will be enough, okay, for the bulb to come out without breaking the wires, so you don't need to worry about right here. And that bulb, careful not to break in your hands, always wear gloves, just grab and pull it out guys. Okay, like that, that's the bulb. You have a park light right there that, okay, if you need to remove it, you just do it the same way. That's a little park light in the corner right there. But that's the turn signal bulb. When you install it, it's practically in reverse order. We took it apart. I will put guys, okay, the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. And everything is in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.